Pain medication for dogs.
Just think about it. When it comes to pain, we have the luxury of medicating ourselves. But our poor animals don't. Your dog can be in pain 24/7 and he or she can't do anything about it. But you can. Now with Pet Vitalix Mobility Care, you can raise the quality of your dog's life tenfold. And you can do it with this safe and natural, made in America product. Take a look at these 5-star reviews. To get relief for your dog's pain now, click the link above.
If you're watching this YouTube video on your computer and you want to help your dog get out of pain, click this link. For mobile device users, click the link in the About description box below.